Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to engrave text on P electrical enclosures using our UV laser marking machine. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release the machine. Turn on the red light to assist in laser focusing. Now, power on the system. Insert the wireless mouse receiver and connect the mouse. Enter password. Next, click T and enter the text you want to engrave. Adjust the position and size. Click to preview and check if the position and size are correct. For parameter settings, we recommend speed 2000 mm/s, power 45%. With these parameters set, you can begin engraving. This is the marking result. If you'd like to explore marking solutions or see how HeatSign can help your business, contact us today.